Hello, we are Interesting Ventures. I'm Rob Secord. I worked on the front end and the smart contracts, and my teammate Kelvin Lockwood worked on the design and documentation, along with a lot of ideas and planning for this project. We are Bloom Finance. We created an app that allows anyone to create custom gift cards or coupons or vouchers for their businesses or stores that, when purchased, earn interest on the deposit. A portion of that deposit is paid to the company in advance, which can help with revenues during COVID-19, and the remainder is held in an NFT that represents the gift card. Why? For one, it's your money and you deserve the interest on it. So when you create a gift card or buy a gift card, the money that goes into that gift card is still technically yours, and you should be earning the interest from that deposit. Also, during times of crisis, such as COVID-19, it does help companies to generate a revenue and keep them afloat by being able to pay half of the gift card value to the company in advance, while the other half sits in escrow, earning interest for the gift card holder until they're ready to go to the store and spend it, perhaps at a time when the store reopens after COVID-19. And there's, of course, nothing better than accepting advance payments for goods and services. So it can help both the customer and the businesses. We have integrated with Portis for wallet management and Aave for interest-bearing tokens, and the whole website is hosted on IPFS for decentralized hosting. At this point, I would love to jump into the demo, but unfortunately, I did not have enough time to complete the entire UI. As I started a new job last week, working with Pool together, and I just had to shift priorities to that for the last couple of weeks, which really put a time crunch on my abilities to deliver for the hackathon. But with that said, I can demo what we have so far. So this is the UI, the main landing page where a person would come and find a company that could see all the coupons that company might have, or if they already have a coupon or a gift card, they can scan it to manage that coupon or gift card, see the balance, see the interest, destroy it, claim all of the assets in full, or if they take it to a store, they can use it at a point of sale system to redeem items in store. And if they are a company, they can register companies. We'd like to whitelist this at first to prevent scam companies popping up that claim to be a store that they're not, things like that, until we figure out a real solid way to prevent copycat stores and theft of funds. So to begin with, we'll sign in, we'll connect with our Portis integration. As you can see, we're connecting through their iframe or their open window. Once it's connected, we have connected our wallet address to Portis, and that's pretty much as far as the UI has gotten. At this point, I'm going to jump over to the smart contract code to give a brief walkthrough of how the Aave integration works. So to begin with, there's a controller contract that manages purchases and redemption of coupons. So it has a bunch of other helper functions, such as getting the principal, interest, balance of your coupon, stuff like that. The first step would be to register as a member. Memberships are created as an NFT, a specific type of NFT. That way, memberships can be transferred as easily as an NFT token. And when creating new types of coupons, you have to supply your membership token ID to confirm that you have created a membership. Once you create a type of coupon, you can create multiple types of coupons for your company. You can specify the max supply of coupons for this type, the minimum amount of deposit. Minimum might be $10, but with the system we're designing, we are not planning to restrict the consumer to increments of 10, 25, 50, 100. Being blockchain based, we can allow the consumer to deposit any amount of assets into the gift card as they want, provided they meet the minimum deposit. And then we supply a reserve ratio, which is the amount of money that's going to go to the company in advance and the amount that's going to be reserved for the NFT in order to generate interest upon it. And there's a minimum reserve ratio just to make sure that we do have a deposit in the NFT that can generate interest so that your gift card does grow. When someone comes to mint a coupon, if they purchase a coupon, they'll provide the coupon type and how much money they want to put into their coupon or their gift card, in which case we then deposit our asset tokens into Aave. And the way that works is we've created a bridge. We create really small, slimline, simplified smart wallets that are connected to every NFT that is minted. So every gift card essentially has a really slim, I wouldn't call it a smart wallet, I guess it's more of a dumb wallet. It really doesn't do much beyond providing access to the funds lying in it and a place for the interest to grow from Aave. So first, when we create a coupon, we'll create a token and we will map that token ID to the address of the new smart wallet that we've created. And then we will deposit the assets that we collect from the user into Aave's lending pool. We'll convert them to A tokens through the deposit mechanism. We'll receive A tokens into our contract, and then we'll transfer those A tokens into the token smart wallet, where they will then gain interest. Now, the only person who has access to that smart wallet and the funds would be the NFT owner. Since the token is owned by someone, we can always derive the ownership of that token and determine who has access to the funds. And that way the gift card can be transferred just as easily as an NFT can be transferred on the blockchain today. We do have a bit of fees to take out of here and everything like that for a revenue stream. There are a couple pieces that are left undone, but the Aave integration has been completed and seems to be working so far. And then there's the redemption, where you can redeem a coupon or you can release the coupon in full. So you can receive all of the assets back to your address. And the redemption function is really for the point of sale system so that they can redeem the funds from the coupon for in-store purchases. When we redeem a coupon, memberships are also NFTs. So that membership NFT also has a smart wallet. So we just simply transfer the A tokens from the gift card to the membership token. And then whenever the store or business wants to withdraw their funds, they can withdraw them from their membership token. The same way you would be withdrawing funds from a gift card. And in order to, say, for example, withdraw funds from the gift card as a user or as the store owner who's withdrawing from their membership token, it just basically follows the same mechanism backwards. It transfers the interest token from the wallet to the smart contract, and then redeems the A token for the underlying assets, which in this case would be DAI, and then transfers that DAI to the receiver, which would be the NFT owner, whether it's a membership NFT or a gift card NFT. The way we create the smart wallets uses the EIP 1167 mechanism of creating a clone, a very small clone of a proxy contract, and we just launch a bunch of very tiny smart wallets and connect them through a mapping variable to the NFT ID. And that is basically all there is to it. So future work we have in mind, we do want to complete the UI for card management. For the point of sale integrations, we would like to add additional yield bearing tokens in the future, give users an option as to which type of interest they want to accrue or risks they would like to take on in that sense, provided that certain yield-bearing tokens are less riskier than others. Yeah. And if you want to check it out, you can check out our live demo at bloomfinance.eth.link. As I said, it's not completely live yet, but in the coming months, it should be fully up and running and completed. Thank you.